Yo, what is up, guys? Today, another trade recap. So, today was a pretty good day. So, as you can see, like right off the bat, my trade hit TP, and that's a good thing. TP is always better than a stop loss, but okay. The reason why I took this trade uh, okay, if I go back in to market open, so originally, when I came to the market around 8 a.m., not 8 a.m., like 10 a.m., my time. I was looking at the market. I saw Asia high. I saw this opening gap getting swept, and then we going higher, and the previous day high also getting swept and then going lower. So these two things was what I saw. And originally, I really wanted us to go see it. I really wanted us to go down and maybe visit these new daily opening gaps. I mean weekly opening gap. This whole week I've been bearish, and finally today was a bit of bearishness that I was uh, seeing. But originally, the best trade would have been this long, which I did not take. Reason being was that usually I wait for a bit more of a rejection, but this time it hit this Tuesday low, which originally I was looking at the previous day low, right? But price just swept right through it. It did not make any rejections and just went straight down in a clean body. It went straight down, as you can see. It went down, it didn't even come back up. It went down, 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 and down. Then I discarded that previous day low, and I was just looking for another possible entry point, which, if we look on the chart, was this Tuesday low. As you can see, Tuesday printed this low right here. So this Tuesday low got hit with like, I don't know, is there like probably one tick, like not even a like 3 ticks, not even a point after that, and we made a straight rejection after it. After we hit this, I set my limit and I saw it was going up, so I set my limit, but that limit never got hit because price just never came back down there. It hit it once and never came back down there, and then as you saw price like pumping up without me, I had I was taking 50 point stop loss because price was a bit more volatile than normally, and I didn't want to get stopped out like right away, and I was targeting these highs. If I was in this trade, it would have been this fast TP. I was targeting like probably this high. It would have been a really fast TP, but unfortunately I did not take the trade, and yeah. So after that, I kind of stopped looking at the chart for a little bit. I came back on the chart and I saw us in this 1 hour for value gap, bearish for value gap, and I was originally already looking for shorts. So I was thinking, I was also looking at the lower time frame. Lower time frame is all bearish. We was respecting this uh, bearish for value gap in like on almost every time frame. Bearish, 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 bearish. There was everywhere bearishness. So after that, I saw us holding this value gap after like going up, and I was just saw us holding it. After that, I entered off of that because I was looking for shorts originally, and there was so much bearish for value gaps, and that we was respecting that we were probably gonna go back down and revisit maybe these lows again, and potentially go down to the new to the weekly opening gap. So with everything in mind, with all those things in mind, I took a short. Originally, this is not like, I don't think this falls in the criteria for me as to trade, but I would not say it's a bad trade because there was so much bearishness. The week we're at all-time highs, so we could already potentially see a potential retracement, as you can see on the daily chart. Printing one, two. We already had one, two, three, four, five bullish candles, and it's unlikely for us to see maybe six bullish candles in one, six bullish candles or only bullish candles. So there had to be a possible retracement, and we did get the retracement back into a fair value gap. So with all those things in mind, shorts were not like crazy, I would say, were not like the most crazy thing to do. So originally, when I got into the trade, I was targeting these lows, but as market came down and started like closing, the lunchtime were starting, volatility got a little bit dried out. I changed my TP originally from this back to a 1 to 3, so right about here. 1 to 3 got hit after like an hour, I think, or like, yeah, about an hour. And yeah, that's basically it. After that, I was sitting in this trade. I went break even in this 2 minute for value gap, I think, or 3 minute. Yeah, this 3 minute for value gap. After we closed below this 3 minute for value gap right here, I went break even, because there wouldn't really be it would not be necessary if we close below this break, because normally I would not do that, but because I was taking a short and we were not like in my criteria, normal trading criteria, I was already being cautious. So therefore I was saw, okay, we closed this bullish for value gap, so we would not have to see us coming back all the way up and potentially stopping us out. So I would say that this could have been our projected high, but once again, I just went break even right there, and I would not want to see us go back up. So after that, we went straight back. We went up a bit, but we went straight back down. 1 to 3 got secured, and we're up on the TraderVate account. Oh, I can show you. On the TraderVate account. I'll show it like this. So right here, this is my account. We're up 600 a day, because you're not like, with a 50-point stop loss, it's not easy to normally I would risk 250 USD, but with a 50-point stop loss, it just let me take two micros. It's that which equal to like 200 risk. I could have done 3, but yeah, I was like doing a short. I did not really trust it, because yeah, it is not like my original setup. So I de-risked a little bit, but it ended up playing out good. If I waited long enough, it would have hit my original TP. I would probably just drag this to 1 to 4. But why I did not wait is because if I were to wait for this trade, it would have taken from 3 p.m. all the way till 8:15, which would have taken 5 hours to hit TP, which is a crazy amount of time. So I'm happy that I took this trade out early, because waiting that long and waiting just to see if the price hits and having to go through all these things, it's not worth it in my opinion. And I'm happy that I took the trade when I don't know 1 to 3. So yeah, overall I'm happy about today. Took a 1 trade. Originally this would have been a better trade, so I could like originally this would have been a better trade, but why I did not take it is also a good reason, and I'm not like really upset about it, because I waited a little longer to see if price was making a false rejection or like a real rejection. Because right here, if I entered straight away from the previous day low, I would have gotten cooked, straight away cooked. But if I enter, but with that in mind, I could just also like waiting here is not like the bad play. But also seeing the candles, we kind of extended quite a bit, like really down in one straight motion. So the rejection could have been a bit obvious that it was gonna happen. But beside that, I'm happy about today. This could have been a loss, so I should not be too pumped up about it. Overall, good day. Hopefully I can end this Friday on a green day. If so, then I would be probably getting close to where my drawdown gets locked. So right now I have a trading a drawdown. So if I'm up 2k, then drawdown is 2k. But if I go down 500, so imagine I'm on a 50k account. Wait, if you can type. So if I'm on a 50k account, and my you can lose 2k, so you have 48k as the max drawdown. But if I get this account up to like 51k, then my drawdown also follows and goes to 49k. So that's the annoying thing about usually future trading prop firms, because it's usually always trailing drawdown. So making profits is not really profit unless because your drawdown just goes with you, unless you hit a certain amount of unless you hit a certain amount where the drawdown gets fixed, so it won't go down as your. So if, for example, 3k in profit, your drawdown is also 3k. So yeah, I think I'm close to that point. If I win tomorrow, I'm pretty sure I'll be there. But overall, I should not rush the process because I'm getting close to passing the account. I'm already halfway, so that's good. If I win tomorrow again, it's pretty good, and I hope I can win tomorrow. But we will see, because the market gives what we want, and no, it doesn't give what we want, but does what the market wants to do. So we just have to interpretate what the market does and act on it. That's all I can do. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Today was a short video, actually not pretty short, but tomorrow is another video. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao ciao.